Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna share with you USD analysis. As you can see, the price is already moving. I'm coming to this point a bit later. From the previous analysis, we saw that the price tested the top of this structure, and this is raising the chances for a bigger bearish movement. As we have seen also previously, the Bank of Japan doesn't like to see the price at this point here, so this is a critical area for the Bank of Japan. During the previous time, the price reacted several times from this area, from the top of the structure, and also before created this movement that was nearly 400 pips. Probably we are at the beginning of a bearish movement. It has higher chances of happening. This was the previous move that I explained during the previous time, but the price spent a lot of time here. This was 400 pips. And so far the price is reacting. So what is the price pushing down at this moment? We have seen during the night hours, then the Bank of Japan was sharing many comments related to a possible intervention. They may hike rates if that is necessary, and so on. And here we have another article that was posted some minutes ago. We can see USDN that already reacted many pips. It was a movement, it looks small, but this is not small here. This was a quick move of nearly 70 pips down, and it keeps pushing. And the reason is because the Bank of Japan is waiting for a meeting, and it will begin in 10 minutes. It will take place in a little over than 10 minutes from now, with Japan top currency diplomat Kanda to brief the media after. That is a quick change of thinking after his earlier comments here. However, we have seen that they make strange things, strange comments, and they act in a different way from what we have seen also previously from the previous articles, from their previous comments. Probably they can make the intervention in the market. It will not be related with the interest rates, considering that they already increased the interest rates, but they can create a market intervention related to the forex rate between USD and yen. So this is a critical moment today. Let's see what is going to happen after the meeting, because they will also have a press conference after this moment. As you can see here, typically one can expect Kanda to reaffirm the same kind of verbal intervention that we have been getting all day. So he was talking about this possible intervention, but it seems that it is killing the Japanese economy this time, and I wouldn't expect that to be different this time around. If anything else, they should just reiterate that all options are on the table and a bit warning this time. So let's see what is going to happen. The first price reaction looks very interesting, and this is the bearish movement that we are expecting. Probably it may happen today or tomorrow, I don't know, but considering that the meeting was urgent, it is likely that we may see this movement happening here, and it has more chances. From what we have seen also before, we have seen also GBPJPY. During the previous analysis, the price created this movement, but so far GBPJPY is in a different position on a daily chart, and it is showing this type of pattern. So overall, the price is channeling here, and it is growing the chances for a movement that may happen. So if the intervention will happen, it will definitely confirm that the top of the structure was already reached at 193.5, and this will increase the chances for a bigger bearish movement from here. If the speculation will be small, the first target can be at this point, so it can be reached quickly at 189. The second one can be on the structure zone and the bigger movement, if that is going to happen, I think that it can also come close to 185 as a beginning. However, one step at a time. This is what I'm expecting also for GBP. It looks very interesting overall, and it can be the beginning of the bearish wave. So let's see what is going to happen during the coming hours. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Overall, it looks all the material, but as you can see, the market didn't react well since a long time, but finally we may have an answer at this moment. So let's see what is going to happen. I'm going to keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.